front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Oppo device. Firstly, go into Settings and click on Apps section over here. Then you need to click on App Cloner. Choose one of your available apps by clicking on it, in my case it's only Facebook, and tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone. Wait a bit. And click on Rename App Clone. Now you can rename your app however you wish to, if you wish to, and save your changes by tapping on Save. When I go back now and try to access Facebook app, as you can see mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!